might be familiar with the show Say Yes to the Dress. My wife was actually pretty concerned at my interest level for the show. But every episode, there's the build-up to the bride acknowledging that the dress she is currently in is the one for her. And that's the feeling I got when I first walked into this house. How you feel when you're in a home is paramount. Let's get closer. So 2,745 square feet for this 3-bed and 3 full bath here in the Barber Street neighborhood, and you're right down the street from Pleasantside Elementary. Hey, look up. I'm up here in the loft bed area of the office, which can also be a 4th bedroom or a guest bedroom. But look at this view! That inlet is gorgeous. It ain't too shabby. I mean, let's be honest. If you're invited over for dinner here, you're coming over early. You might want to lie in the sun on one of the decks or enjoy the hot tub. $750,000 in renovations by reputable builder Clay Construction. They took the house down to the studs, so it's essentially brand new. Under the project name Blue Horizon, this house won Best Kitchen under $100,000 in the National Awards for Housing Excellence. I think you're going to say yes to the address. My name is Elliot Mandelcourt. This is 924 Barber Street.
Sun.